models. There are three types of cloud computing deployment models: on-premises, cloud and hybrid. On-premises deployment model is the same as the legacy IT infrastructure. Physical servers, databases, applications and storage are located in their own facilities. Applications are deployed and run on these physical servers. On-premises deployment does not provide many of the benefits of cloud computing, but it's sometimes sought for its ability to provide dedicated resources. Cloud deployment model. In the cloud model, IT resources and applications are migrated from existing infrastructure to the cloud. Physical servers are replaced by scalable virtual servers. A cloud-based application is fully deployed in the cloud and all parts of the application run in the cloud, taking advantage of the benefits of cloud computing. Hybrid cloud deployment model. Hybrid cloud is a mixture of cloud and on-premises computing. The existing on-premises infrastructure can satisfy your need for control, latency and sensitive data security requirements, while connecting cloud resources to your internal systems. At the same time, you can extend your existing infrastructure and grow to the cloud. Each type of cloud computing model and deployment method provides you with different levels of control, flexibility and management. Understanding their differences can help you decide what set of services is right for your needs.